Miracle Headless Chicken. A headless chicken once became a national celebrity. In 1945, a rooster named Mike survived for a staggering 18 months after his head was chopped off on a Colorado farm. The axe swing missed Mike's jugular vein and left part of his brainstem intact, so he kept walking, pecking, and even trying to preen as if he still had a head. His owner, stunned by Mike's resilience, started feeding him with an eyedropper straight down his neck. Mike's bizarre survival turned him into a sideshow superstar, touring the United States as Miracle Mike the Headless Chicken. Audiences paid to see the bird defy every expectation of biology and common sense. Scientists flocked to study him, and newspapers couldn't get enough of the story. Mike's strange fate became a living legend, proving that sometimes the weirdest creatures in history are the ones that survive the most impossible odds.